what's up, everybody? Jesse Blackpool Clone. So, hey, if it's your first time here, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and tell you a little bit about me. My name is Jesse James. I own and operate Blackpool Clone and Snow in mid-central Ohio. This channel is all about my journey. It's just about growing from. I went from factory workers in and out of drugs and alcohol, got clean and sober, back to the factory life, and now trying to start my business. And I'm about a year and a half in, and this is what this channel is all about. So, in today's vlog, before I get into today's vlog, I went ahead and threw the edger on here and put the other Darwin grip on. But hey, this is what I'm finding with these Darwin grips, guys. They're kind of a gimmick. So if you're first brand new in the business, don't think that you gotta go get a Darwin grip and it's gonna change your business and you're gonna weed eat faster and you're not gonna hurt and your shoulders ain't gonna hurt, whatever. It's not the case. They're kind of a gimmick. They work really, really well for the edger. I've found, this is my personal opinion. Obviously, I'm not sponsored, and this probably doesn't help anything. But I found that for the edger, the Darwin grip does a lot better. It's actually really, really good for the stick edger. For the string trimmer, you know, it ain't too bad. I mean, it is what it is. You know what I mean? You're still holding the machine up and pulling the trigger at the same time, so your right shoulder is going to hurt a little bit. But after about 20-30 minutes, and this is coming from someone who weed eats a cemetery, 31 acres of headstones every week. No matter what you do, you're going to hurt. And after about the first hour or so, all that goes away. But in today's vlog, David and his brother they should be mowing right now at the cemetery. I sent them guys over there this morning. We met up here about 7:30, 8 o'clock this morning, kind of discuss what was going on. I have a meeting with a couple other schools, and I got to finish some schools today. So, and a mulch job. So I got to call that guy and just let him know, hey, I'll be there a little bit later. I'd like to move him. I might move him back. With all this rain we had, it's kind of messed everything up. So I might move him back till tomorrow. That would actually be more beneficial. So we're going to go ahead and get started. Make sure I didn't forget nothing. Got my blower, got the mower, got the extra mower. Oh, and hey, let me tell you guys about my dealer, man. Before I get into it, well, hold on. Well, I'll just tell you now. I'm not going to make you wait around for the video. If you only watch 2-3 minutes, fine. I called my dealer the other day about getting that cutter housing spindle thing whenever I broke the bolt off inside that spindle for that X-Mark. I called my dealer and ordered a part. It was going to be around $150. I was like, whatever, but I went ahead and got online and I ordered a backup part for it online. Well, that part's going to be here tomorrow. I called my dealer. I said, hey guys, you said it's going to be a week. It's been over a week and a half. What's going on? And they put me on hold. I talked to like 2-3 different guys. They bounced me around. Same thing they did the first time. And they kept asking the same. Every time I talked to someone new, they'd ask me the same questions. And then I said, well, I've already ordered it. They're like, well, there must have been a miscommunication because we've got no order for you for that model or for your name, for that model, for nothing. We've got nothing. I was so mad, but luckily I was proactive. I talked to a couple of my friends in the industry, and I went ahead and got online and ordered a part. So that should be here at 8 a.m. tomorrow, according to USPS tracking app. And so tomorrow morning, right away, as soon as I get it, getting the X-Mark going. And my plan is to run the X-Mark and that 48, or the X-Mark and this 52 right here. I still have the Grasshopper. My plan is to get the Grasshopper down here and I'm going to get it all tore down. Get the Grasshopper, get down here and get it all tore down. Rework I got new belts for the vac. Here's the big vac for it. I got new belts and stuff I need to put on that. And I want to get the Grasshopper up and going and either sell it, but I like having it for leaves. I like having it for different things. And it's really a universal machine. It just needs a lot of work. So as soon as I put the work in, be good. I would love to change the engine, but my buddies are saying that it doesn't need an engine change. That'd be a waste of money. But I don't know. We'll see what happens. Y'all know how it is. So I'm gonna get going. I got a long drive. David and them's already working. We got a whole list of stuff to do today. Like I said, I got way far behind this week. So, we'll catch back with you. I see you out there when we mowing. Oh, yeah, you see me spray it. I got a whole bunch of like industrial places and schools and all kinds of different places. I did make a purchase, and it should be here in the next couple of days. I got me a bigger backpack sprayer. But, man, there's a lot of spraying on these. This is going to take way too long. So I'm going to try to hurry up and get this knocked out. Man, this grass is growing quick. Quick. All right. Hey, y'all ain't gonna believe this, but I've been mowing, and I was just carrying on, you know, whatever, and I get to about, I don't know, about 25 miles away to my next 2 properties over. I started one, I was on the 3rd one, and I needed gas, and I'm looking around for my gas cans, and I forgot my gas cans at the first property, so I had to backtrack 20-something miles. I'm so aggravated. It's ruined my time for the day. Now I'm going to have to come back up here Sunday and finish all this out because I got must-dos to be done. And Willard that needs... and it's just silliness, negligence on my part. I don't know. I just left them both on the ground and then just left. It's killed it's killed an hour, at least an hour just driving there and back. It's 5:30 now. I've got nothing. Stupid little mental mistakes is what kills you in this business. Little tiny mental mistakes. Man. All right. Got as much done as we could today. Just stopped at one of my bi-weekly accounts and picked up a bunch of brush and stuff. It's just a waste from the shop. Man, lot's been going on, and we had one of the guys that weed eats for us, he quit today. This morning, like I was saying, rented a mower, and I had David and them guys go pick it up. I went ahead and paid for it. Had David and his brother, told him have him and his brother mow today, and they weed eated yesterday. And there's still a little bit left over there, but I didn't expect that other guy to quit this early. You know, hey, but I just got back to the shop. Yeah, today's been one of them days, man. Been one of them days. I gotta get faster. I gotta stop making small little mental mistakes. I gotta get more efficient. If not, you'll just never make it in this business. And it ain't looking so hot for old Dad right now. It's not even summer yet, dude. It's still early spring. Early. All right, y'all. Keep hustling, keep grinding, man. Keep chasing your dreams. hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Y'all know what it is. Peace.